Today we are off adventuring in one of my favorite places.
Perfect.
That's right, we're in Moab today. We are going to go try to do Hurrah Pass and Chicken Corners. I'm gonna take the side-by-side. No judgment here, but tried to kind of retrofit our own little car seat holder here for Bear. So we'll give it a try. You ready to go on side-by-side ride? All right, let's do it. Well, we made it the first 10 miles up to the top of Hurrah Pass here. Gonna stop for a little lunch, playing around a little bit. Not too bad. Took us about an hour to get up here. Maybe not quite that. But yeah, pretty views all the way up. Now we'll keep on heading down this and go find chicken corners. All the way up here. So that they can play off-roading with their cars. Is that fun, Dexy?
Yeah.
Ooh, you think side-by-side could do that?
I like no.
Oh, yeah, that looked hard. Only monster trucks. Bear, did you make it up here all right? Yeah, first side-by-side, big side-by-side ride, huh? Yeah. Seat did good. Huh. Yeah, you liked it. Good job, Bear. We made it to this stop here. It's called Catacomb Rock. It's 15 miles from where we parked, and supposedly it's like a bunch of caverns and stuff that you can go explore. So we are gonna go check it out. You ready, Maddox? I guess Maddox is not gonna go check it out. Let's go. What is it, Dex? Okay, should we go in?
Go in there.
I'll come with you.
I don't want to.
Okay, I'll go follow Co. What is it? Ah. Oh, look at all this. You can go in there?
Here. Mom, in here. Yeah. Tunnel.
It's a tunnel?
All the way around.
Jeez. Take Maddox, show Maddox.
Make a whoop-de-whoop. See?
Check these out, they're so cool. There's just like a bunch of places for the kids to like just run around and explore. Supposedly there's like ways to get all the way through the thing. Maybe even get up on top of it. We won't be trying that. Oh, I see Co.
I tried to climb this way.
Where is he? Whoa!
Check that
That's
out.
so cool.
Me. This is like Ninja Warrior, Dad.
That is like Ninja Warrior. You train him for Ninja Warrior?
Are you doing this? What are you? That is driving me. Just send it out to drive.
Good job, Ninja Warrior.
It is in after dry.
Mama's driving. One-handed with a Dr. Pepper.
You know it's a smooth ride when you can drink and drive.
Alright, we made it back all in one piece, and ended up being a pretty good ride, about 30 miles. We did not make it all the way to the end of Chicken Corners though. We stopped at the Catacomb Rock and had a lot of fun there. So after that we decided we'd rather get back so we could try and get back before it gets too dark, and we made it just in time.